Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside FaceTime. Start a call with the people you want to watch with. Once in the call, tap Share Content and choose Shareplay or Share My Screen so everyone can sync. Next, open the YouTube app or Safari and cue the first video. Make sure you use the same video source for everyone. You should grant playback control to a participant if you want collaborative seeking and pausing. This gets everyone synchronized and ready to stream together. Once done queuing a video, you control playback via the FaceTime overlay so every participant sees the same frame. Use the play, pause, and seek controls. You can also enable captions for accessibility. If you want to jump to a specific time, type or tap the timestamp so everyone jumps together. Make sure participants know who has control. You can pass control if someone else needs to navigate the playlist. This keeps the viewing synchronized and interactive. To finish, stop SharePlay or end the FaceTime call and playback will end for everyone. If things go wrong, first confirm Wi-Fi or cellular connections and have participants rejoin the FaceTime session. This often restores sync. If audio is missing, check individual device volume and the SharePlay master volume, then restart the YouTube app. Finally, remember regional restrictions or premium-only features can block shared playback.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.